Ensure quality and safety with proper thermal processing guidelines. What is thermal processing? Thermal processing is about changing the temperature of a material to modify it in some way. It is a critical process in the manufacturing of pharmaceutical products, as it has several important applications, such as sterilization of materials and solutions, drug lyophilization, chemical processing, distillation, and powder drying, among others. The end product's safety and efficacy depend on the thermal processing's effectiveness. Therefore, pharmaceutical companies must ensure that their thermal processing practices work as expected. As such, having a set of guidelines in place is crucial to ensure that pharmaceuticals meet the highest safety and quality standards. Here is a set of guidelines that can help ensure the quality and safety of your thermal processing practices. 1. Determine the type of thermal process needed. The first step is to determine the type of thermal process required for the task at hand. This decision should be based on the heating step's potential impact on drug quality, and patient's safety, and the available equipment. 2. Ensure equipment is capable of performing the necessary operation. Once the type of process is determined, the next step is to ensure that the equipment available is capable of performing the necessary task. The equipment must be adequately maintained and inspected regularly to ensure it functions properly. 3. Properly validate the process. Validation ensures that the thermal process can consistently deliver a quality product. This includes performing a risk assessment, testing the process, and ensuring that it meets the required specifications. 4. Monitor the process and document the results. Once the temperature is set, it is essential to monitor the process. Too high of a temperature can make the product ineffective or even generate toxic byproducts. Too low of a temperature can prevent the thermal process from achieving the desired results. This can be done via data loggers or other temperature monitoring systems. The data collected should be used to adjust the thermal process as needed, and results should be documented so they can be evaluated in the future. In conclusion, thermal processing is a critical technique used in the manufacturing and processing of pharmaceutical products. However, it must be implemented carefully and with guidelines to ensure the process is effective and safe for patients. If you found the tip insightful, please share it with your network. Join us on the 22nd of February in this upcoming webinar to take your thermal validation and mapping process to the next level. Register now at www.qualistory.com.